Assalamu alaikum class. Today we discuss the remaining endocrine glands, and then the fourth gland is the adrenal glands. Basically in a human body, adrenal gland is in the form of the pair, so that it is known as the adrenal glands. Two adrenal glands are present in a human or in the animal bodies, and the location of these these glands are present above the kidney. It can be divided into the two parts, outer part and the inner part. Outer part is known as the cortex, inner part is known as the medulla or medulla. So that these two parts, outer and the inner part, secretes the different hormones. The outer part, the adrenal cortex, secretes a hormone which is known as the corticosteroids, and the function of these hormones to maintain the balance of the water and salts in the blood. Basically it is important hormone for the maintenance of the water and the salt concentrations in the blood, and it is secreted by the outer part, cortex. And then the inner part is known as the medulla or medulla. This part secretes a hormone which is known as the epinephrine or adrenaline. Class, it's important short question of this chapter. What is epinephrine or the adrenaline? The function of these hormones to respond to stress conditions and also to overcome the emergency situations, so that due to the overcome of the emergency situations, due to their function of the epinephrine, this hormone is also known as the emergency hormone. This is important short question. Epinephrine is also known as the emergency hormone, so that the function of this hormone is to control the emergency situations. Like emergency situations, when a person experiences the fear, anger or different types of anxiety, blood pressure rate increases, the heartbeat rate increases, and after the blood flow increases, all these situations are known as the emergency situations. And in all the situations, the epinephrine, the adrenaline secretes the hormone which is known as the epinephrine, and these hormones overcome the emergency situations. So basically our next topic is about the gonads, and here these are the gonads. Gonads is divided into the two basic parts, testes and ovaries. These two parts or organs are present in the gonads. Basically, testes are the male reproductive organs and the ovaries are the female reproductive organs. Both these organs, testes and ovaries, which are present in the gonads, and these gonads means the hormones which are released by the testes and ovaries are also known as the sex hormones. Then these two separate organs, testes and ovaries, produces the different types of hormones. In testes are the male reproductive part, and this secretes a hormone. This hormone is known as the testosterone, and the function of these hormones to control the male secondary characters like the hair on the face and the coarseness of the voice. Coarseness mean सख्ती, करख्तगी जो होती है ना, बहुत ज़्यादा लहजा, सख्त लहजा, मतलब मेल्स और फीमेल्स की वॉइस में डिफरेंस होता है. तो वो जो डिफरेंस है वो किसको कौन कंट्रोल करता है? टेस्टोस्टेरोन. एंड टेस्टोस्टेरोन इज़ द बेसिक हार्मोन विच इज़ रिलीज्ड बाय द टेस्टिस. And the other hormone is other part is the ovaries, and ovaries are the female reproductive organs, and the hormones which are released by the ovaries are the estrogen and the progesterone. These are the hormones which are released by the ovaries, and basically these can control the female secondary characters in the females. Different types of female characters which can differentiate female and the males, that can be controlled by the estrogen and the progesterone. Class, see your book. This gland is known as the adrenal gland, and then here the gonads.